Hey guys, I hope you all are doing fine. Enjoy your weekend as well. This is Wasim Skandar from AMZPPC Solutions, providing PPC solutions to 7-8 figure brands, helping them to grow their business on another level. If you are 6 figure, then we are helping them to become an 8 figure, 7 figure seller. We are currently working with 6, 7, 8 figure brands, and obviously, like telling every time that we are doing very well, it's not a good thing. When you are hiding some kind of losses and showing only profit, that's not a good thing. We are doing very well, alhamdulillah. We are doing very well in some kind of in few projects and few accounts, and we are trying to do much more better in some accounts. The thing is that some niches are very competitive, and we are trying to get some more market share at the moment too, and we are trying to get more ranking on our keywords. Again, let me tell you one more thing, that for example you have few keywords, and after third and fourth time that keyword is not getting improvement with PPC, I would suggest to lower the bids. Because if you are spending money and you're not obviously that PPC is all about that you are advertising your product, that you are showing your products to buyers, right? So let's say if you have few keywords and you are spending money, not making money, spending money even for the rank, after the ranking purpose, after the ranking of keywords, I would suggest that after third and fourth optimization you should lower the bids, and let's focus on another keyword and create another portfolio and add that keyword into that portfolio. Move that keyword to that portfolio. Like let's talk about today that actually I will just in my first video, let me show you one more thing, that here that I have two YouTube channels. I have two YouTube channels. First, Wasim Skandar Official AMZPPC Solutions. Here I have the podcast. Here I have the my videos in Urdu, Hindi as well. I mean, both languages are not same, but some kind of things, words are same. So you can see here, and I have another English, another YouTube channel. The name AMZPPC Solutions in English. So do subscribe for the both channels and learn from those videos. So now let's in my this PPC Solutions English channel, I have uploaded videos. I have started to upload videos in English, and first I tell that learn your how to sell on Amazon, and then how to rank products, how to choose the right category. After this, obviously there will be more videos will come. So today we will share that I will share that how actually you can create a shipping plan, right? How to create a shipping plan for your listings. This is an account of my student. This is a dummy account just for the training purpose. If you want to learn, you can join my 5-day AMZPPC Solutions paid workshop as well for PPC. Now let's talk about shipping plan. That in this shipping plan, make sure that you have all the data like number of cartons, how many units in one carton, what are the dimension of cartons, and from where you are shipping. And you must need to understand, you must need to get the details that your shipping address. Let's say you are shipping from your home. It means that you know that the products in your home is in your home, and you're gonna ship from your home. But if your supplier is going to ship the products, or like if your the 3PL warehouse, like you are getting any 3PL warehouse services and they are going to ship your products, then definitely you need to get their address. Make sure your Amazon Seller Central, could get suspended if you use their address with their names, okay, with their numbers. So always be smart, always be smart. Okay, let me tell you something. While I am making a shipping plan, or I'm using a 3PL warehouse, or I'm using some suppliers house number, or even I'm using my house number, so I will try to make some adjustment in that. I will try to make adjustment in that, because then after that Amazon, I mean let's say if my uh, 3PL warehouse is in the USA, like let's say in Texas or some Missouri or somewhere else. So let's say I would not say that this is the exact house number, this is the exact street, this is like that. I will try to make some changes in any kind of thing, like in any like in number. I will give my new number, or I will use my existing number. I will not use their address, I will not use their number, but if I will use their address, then I will make a little bit changes in the address. So this kind of things, don't be like confused, don't confuse. These things are for your benefits. Like that 3PL warehouse, so many people they are using that 3PL warehouse, and in the last year I remember Amazon has suspended so many accounts because of this same conflictions. So now in this moment you have to understand that how do you have to work. I'm just sharing the thing that what I have experienced. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section, or you can join our Facebook group, amzppcsolutions. We have our website. You can reach out to us and schedule a free 15 minutes consultation call. If you have any issue, any concern, schedule a call. Here, this is our website, and we have uploaded the case studies as well. Okay, get free audit. Yeah, worth $500. I offer free audit for the Amazon PPC, for the Amazon PPC, Amazon sellers. Sorry, for the Amazon sellers. Okay, so here these all are dummy listings. Okay, let's say you want to create a shipping plan for this particular product. So I will click here, go to send replenish inventory. Again, this is a dummy account, so it's okay for me, because I can create another. After that I can delete. Make sure now you know the address, exact address, right? Okay, so now here it will show you that, yeah, marketplace is United Arab Emirates, because this is a UAE based account. It's okay because US and UK and UAE shipping plan, this feature is almost same. Here it's saying that create new create new packing template. But before this feature, it was different, it was old. Now they updated, because this feature it was only available in the US market, in the UK market, in the Germany market. Now they have introduced in UAE as well, obviously in the KSA as well. So product template name, like you can give any XYZ name. Like let's say I can say that it's MCENTT 30 product, right? Then units per box, as I told you before, that you should know that how many units a box has. Like let's say 10, let's say 100. Box dimension, about you need to ask your supplier that they need to provide you these all details, right? So box weight, I'm just entering the details, just for an example. You need, if you do not understand what is it actually, you can put your cursor here and read it. This is the number of sellable units in each shipping box that you send to a fulfillment center. A sellable unit is the item that a customer will buy. For example, a pack of 10 pens sold together is one sellable unit. You got it? So then prep for each unit. I mean, here is they are saying to choose the category of your product. So sometimes you can choose the no preparation needed, but it will not give you the labels. So you have to choose that any category, even your category is not available there. If you choose the small, it will show you like it's supposed to show you toys or something like that, but it is not showing you. Then baby products. Who preps? You want to prep or Amazon? It's your, now it's up to you that you will label it, you will, or your supplier, or your I mean, who will prep it? Prep mean that who will pick pack like that, right? And here who will label. So prep and label, it means that who will pick pack and label it. Now it is up to you that if you want to hand over to Amazon, or if you want to do by yourself, or if you want to do by from your, if you want to get this service from your Chinese supplier or your 3PL. I would go for my supplier. I will not go with Amazon because I don't trust them. Or I will go with 3PL. Most of the time I don't trust 3PL as well. I just only ask my supplier in China. It is cheap as well, and I will ask them to made the video for me, because our agents are there. They are, I mean, doing this stuff, are doing the stuff for me. So here, save it. We have saved it. So now here you can see that. Okay, let me refresh it. Here it is showing that whatever details we have entered. This shipping plan, it means that you are going to send your product, to ship your product to Amazon warehouse. That's why you are creating this shipping plan. You cannot ship the product without shipping plan. In the UK and US, they have their carrier partners, and here in the UAE, actually they you have to go to Carrier Central, Amazon.a, and then you have to create an account with them, and then you have to enter the details and get the appointment. Like that it works in UAE. So here you can print the products label from here by clicking it here. If that I told you that if we have choose that, let me show you, we have choose this prep for each unit of feature. That's why it's showing here print SKU label. Sometimes, let's say if you are saying that no preparation needed due to your category is not here, or maybe you don't want, then it will not show you here. Sometimes it will not show you here. To get these labels, we might require to, and we are required to enter that detail. We are required to choose that feature. Okay, so now how many boxes? Let's say I don't want to go for more. Let's say 1 box. So ready to send. 1 box, 100 units, and that's all. Now print all SKUs and confirm and continue. Again, this is the dummy shipping plan, just for learning purpose. So like on which date you wanna ship, right? It is showing here. Again I'm saying again that before this feature is only available in it was only available in the UK and US and UAE, sorry, in UK and US, Germany and other markets, but not in the UAE. Now it is available in the UAE, this feature, and really it's really helpful. So let's say like 30 June, just example, that small parcel delivery. Yeah, small parcel delivery, I don't want to send the pallets, right? Okay, look, if you want to choose this, it will not show you here anything, any kind of partner. But in the US, once you choose a small parcel delivery, it will show you that they are partners as well there. So here, see here, can you see that non-Amazon partnered carrier, right? Because in the UAE they do not have any kind of partner at the moment. So you have to choose other, but when you are in the UK and US or Germany, you have to choose their carrier partner. Okay. Okay, selected small parcel delivery, non-Amazon partner carrier. Other mean like that I will go, or my supplier will go, or my 3PL warehouse, they will ship something like that, right? So here the estimated shipping fee is 0 because I will go and ship, right? So accept, click on the accept, and let's wait a second. Cool, perfect. So here you can print the box label. You can choose that whatever you want and click on print and then save it, right? After saving it, in the UK and US, that we have choose that date that we will ship it on, like 30 June, right? So we will go on 30 June to ship that product in those other bigger markets. And in UAE, we have given them date that we will ship on 30, right? Again we will ship on 30, right? Now after printing this, it is saying that proceed to enter the tracking details. No need to go here, and no need to go for book FC appointment, because it is saying that book the appointment center, book the appointment right now from here. So no need to go for that, because it is not helpful. It is not the helpful feature, I found that. So here, let me show you here that carrier central amazon.a request. I'm just saying in the UK and US, this no need to go for this feature. You can print the box label, then the work is finished. Then the work is finished, right? You have the product labels, you have the box label. After that, you can go to the request carrier central, and then you can enter the, let's say, Amazon reference ID and shipment ID. This is based on this you will get the appointment in UAE. If it's showing here, yeah, it's showing here. Yeah. So actually I have created account, so that's why for me it's showing different. But once you will come and create new account, it will show you different, that you have to choose some kind of your name, and then you have to enter the details like that. So here again, the Amazon reference ID is not available. We call it that PO ID as well. Here, let me show you PO list. Yeah, the Amazon reference ID and PO list UAE as separator. It's both are same. BOL list, it means that FBA ID. Okay, so then vendor name, I mean my name, pallet, no, there is one carton and 100 units. Yeah, then request appointment. Then you have to come here and choose the destination. It is a freight type, like less than truckload, floor loaded. Yeah, it could be, it will obviously it will be loaded on the floor, not on the palletized. Sorry. It is clampable. No, it is not clampable. Then choose the date. Here no need to do anything, and then request. So this is the procedure actually. In this way you can get the appointment in the UK and US and Germany and other marketplaces, and UAE and Saudi Arabia, KSA. Hope this video is helpful, and thank you for watching.